Good day, good people. Welcome to Good for Good Loot. Today's LOOT of the day would be more Yugioh and Hello Kitty and Friends McDonald's Happy Meal Toys. We are down to the final week, week 5. And here are the two characters for this week. And it's one cat and one dog. We have a black cat and a white dog. Very yin-yang. The cat is called Choco Cat and the Winged Dragon of Ra. And the dog is Pochako and Time Wizard. And let's start opening. I can't believe it's been 5 weeks of this Yugioh and Hello Kitty and Friends collaboration with McDonald's toys. And this is the full set. Stay till the end to see all the characters. I just found out Choco Cat is a he, and Choco Cat tends to be a little scatterbrained at times. But he's always up on the latest news thanks to his ultra-sensitive antenna whiskers. Just as I was wondering how come Choco Cat is black instead of brown, it is because his name is from his chocolate-colored nose. On behalf of you guys, let me do a squish test. See, his nose is brown. The poses on the plush and on the box are different. And that's Choco Cat. Now we move on to Pochako. Their names are somewhat similar. Choco Cat, Pochako. Pochako is paired with Time Wizard in Yu-Gi-Oh! Looks a bit like a star. Very purple back. I think he's wearing a pointy hat. And Pochako's name means plum or chubby. Let's do a squish test. Here's how his tag looks like. Let's compare the squishiness of both. And they both feel the same. Now that we've seen the both of them, let's check out their digital experience. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Sorry, I don't know why they didn't add in some music over there. Let's play! We have a list of all the characters. Check out the other videos on my channel. And let's start with Choco Cat. First up, we have to choose the landscape. Let's go with the last one because it's unique to each character. The one for Choco Cat has mushrooms and ladybugs. Now we choose the backdrop. Let's go with this Egyptian concept. And then we choose the graphic effects. And I'll pick the last one, which is fish. Time to reveal power. Choco Cat turned into a ball. Let's continue on with Pochako. Choco Cat, Pochako, Choco Cat, Pochako, Choco Cat, Pochako. Try it. Let's see what landscape Pochako has. Oh, his is a field of carrots. And now for his backdrop. This backdrop reminds me of the other character. Seems like there's the same backdrop as another character. And his graphic effects. Holo effect is for TCG cards. I got mixed up. We got paw prints and a caterpillar. Oh, so that's what the Time Wizard does. He sped up the metamorphosis. Caterpie evolved into Butterfree. Metapod, which is the cocoon-like Pokemon, was skipped. And there we have the final digital experience. And as promised, I'm gonna open every single one of them and you will get to see all in one shot. And here's every single one. Let's take a look at the popular duo My Melody and Kuromi. Let me tidy this up a little bit and I will show you a better view. Wow, the whole set really looks nice. So I open them on a weekly basis and you can check out the other videos on my channel. And there will be more Happy Meal toys in future as well. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you can like, subscribe, and drop me a comment. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye! And it's a wrap. Click one of the videos for more content.